In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Gemini AI without login to Google. By the end, you'll be able to try Gemini quickly without connecting a personal account, which is great for a quick test, a demo, or a bit of extra privacy. First, open your web browser. Any modern browser will do, but this works best in a current version of a Chromium-based browser. Keep it simple. Just launch the browser like you normally would. Next, open an incognito or private browsing window. This ensures no email or saved session is loaded, so you're not signed in. In most browsers, you can find this in the menu under New Incognito Window or New Private Window. Remember, incognito doesn't make you anonymous, it just prevents your browser from saving history, cookies, and site data after you close the window. It's perfect for keeping this session separate from your usual accounts. Now, click into the address bar and type the @ symbol followed by the word Gemini, @Gemini. As you type, you should see a small prompt or suggestion for Gemini appear. Click that suggestion or press the key your browser shows to confirm it. This tells the browser that your next text will go straight to Gemini. With Gemini selected, type your prompt. For example, enter latest news about Iran. Keep your phrasing natural, full sentences work well, and feel free to be specific about what you want, like a brief summary, key developments, or sources to check afterward. This is just an example to show how a real-time query might look. Press enter. You'll be redirected to Gemini and it will generate a response to your prompt, all without logging into your Google account. Because you're in an incognito window, the session is temporary. When you close the window, your browser clears local data from this session automatically. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't see the @Gemini option, it may depend on your browser version or regional availability. Also, when asking for news, consider following up by requesting citations or a short list of reputable outlets to review so you can verify details. And if you decide you want your chat saved or synced later, you can choose to sign in outside of incognito, but for this demonstration, you don't need to. That's it. Open your browser, go incognito, type @Gemini, enter your prompt, and let Gemini generate a response. No login required. Close the window when you're done, and nothing from this session is saved on your device.